Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you what to do if your mail app isn't working on your iPhone. Try following these steps to fix the issue. First, begin by restarting your iPhone. Next, if restarting doesn't resolve the issue, go to your email settings to remove and re-add the email account causing the problem. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on Apps. From there, look for Mail in the list of apps, and tap on it to access the settings specifically for the Mail app. From there, select Accounts to see a list of all your email accounts. Find the account causing the problem and tap on it, then scroll down and tap Delete Account to remove it. After removing the account, go back to the Account section, tap Add Account, and choose the type of email service you're using such as iCloud, Gmail, etc. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your email address and password to re-add the account. If the Mail app still isn't working, you can try deleting and reinstalling the app. To do this, press and hold the Mail app icon on your home screen until a menu appears, then tap Remove App and confirm by selecting Delete App. Once deleted, open the App Store, search for the Mail app, and reinstall it. This step ensures you have the latest version of the app, which may fix any bugs. Lastly, if the issue persists, resetting your network settings could help. To do this, go to Settings, tap General, then tap Reset. Select Reset Network Settings, enter your device passcode, and confirm the action. This will reset Wi-Fi networks and passwords, cellular settings, and VPN/APN settings that you've used before, which can resolve connection issues affecting the Mail app. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.